Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can withdraw money from Bitget. Okay, now you can add your bank account to withdraw money, okay, or you can just transfer crypto to another platform like Binance or anything like that. So I'm going to show you exactly, guys, how you can withdraw your money from Bitget. Okay, so you want to log into your Bitget account. Okay, that's the first step, and then you want to move your mouse here, as you can see here, and then move your mouse there, and then you want to click on withdraw. Okay, now after, guys, you click on withdraw, what you guys need to do, in case you want to send, for example, USDT to another platform like Binance, okay, you can just select here the crypto or coin you want to send. Okay, and then here you want to make sure you select the correct network, because if you don't select the correct network, the transfer is not going to get it's not going to reach your account. Okay, so it will be lost, and Bitget will not take responsibility for that. So make sure after you go to, for example, if you are sending this to Binance, for example, make sure you click on the receive and select this network. For example, you want to select the exact same network, and then you want to add here the withdrawal address. Now if you want to send this to your bank account, okay, you want to send the money to bank, now you can do that by clicking on withdraw fiat. Okay, here. All right, now after, guys, you click on withdraw fiat, then you want to then select here euro, okay, and then click on next. In the next page, it will take you, guys, directly to this page after you click on that, and then you want to add here your bank account, okay, details. You just click on add in your bank account, or if you already have a bank account, you want to add, and you can add the new one. Now after you add the bank account, then you can withdraw, but keep in mind that this is only going to be it can only work with euros, because if you live in Europe, you can like withdraw your money. As you can see, the currency accepted here is euro, and if you click here, you can see that only euro can be accepted. Okay, you can only withdraw euro to your bank account. Okay, or you can withdraw Brazilian currency. Okay, now in case you want to have euro Europe bank account, you can just use Payoneer. Okay, a lot of people, but I haven't used it. Okay, so I don't really know if it's going to work. You can use Payoneer to get a bank account that is located in Europe, and then you can withdraw your money to your local bank account from Payoneer. Now you just need to click on bank accounts, okay, and then click on bank for withdrawals. Here you will see the bank that is linked to your like withdraw and transfer. Here, as you can see, accounts, if you click here, it says receiving accounts, then you can find here your as you can see here, your bank account, okay, based in Europe, and this is the IBAN, and this is the name. Okay, you just need to create a Payoneer account, and you will be able to get like euro account, okay, euro bank account, Europe bank account, and then you can link it to Bitget. They can withdraw your money. So that's, I haven't tried this, okay, so I don't know if they are going to accept this bank account, but yeah, currently it's only available for people who live in Europe. You will be able to withdraw your money. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.